Here's a little room tour of our hotel that we stayed at on vacation, the Viv Hotel, just across from Disneyland, minutes away. There's a beautiful rooftop pool at the Viv with the hot tub. The hot tub and the rooftop pool are adults only. It's really nice up here. And you have a parkside view, rooftop terrace, a family pool with TIE Fighter chairs. Cool. Nifty decorations in the lobby like blue stormtroopers.
Stormtroopers, Darth Vader, Firewind Ready, Elevator, Vogue.
Art made from Disney minifigures. And you're on.
Okay. Here's the B room.
Oh.
Got a good toilet
Mm-hmm.
for all your sitting needs.
We should turn the light on so we can see it. Oh, there we go.
This isn't a light. That's a little disappointing. Here's mirror,
Various free soaps.
soaps, towels, hair drying stuff.
Light up makeup mirror.
I would like
Ooh, but look at the rain shower.
shower. Yeah.
All right. What other features are there?
There's another mirror because
Nice.
they're all self-centered and they want you to be self-centered.
Place to
too.
put your shoes on.
So I thought it was just a seat.
Oh.
Anyway.
Ooh, look at the storage.
There's a lot of storage.
Lots of storage, y'all.
Storage above that I can't reach.
Mmm.
So
There's a safe
there's a
for your
safe
diamonds
for
and
your-
jewels.
and your
All right.
robes.
Robes.
Robes, Mom. Here. Here's your robe. Here's my robe. One
Okay.
second. Robe check.
Okay.
Robe change.
All right.
So now
Excellent.
here's TV.
Oh, look at all this other storage. You got a mini
Yeah,
fridge.
Storage.
Ooh, the kind of cool drawers that close slow.
Here's a mini fridge. It's almost as nice as the one that I have in my room.
It has cake and
'Cause I'm
water.
freaking cool.
Mm-hmm.
Coffee.
Mmm. Ooh, look, wine glasses. La-di-da.
Wow.
There we go. There we go.
So then you have this.
Well, we kind of made a mess, but
Yeah. And you have this.
Nice
lamp.
slice. Lots of USBs. That's
Lots.
important to people. USBs.
USB all day.
USB. Oh, look, there's one queen bed.
A queen bed.
Oh.
The queeniest queen in the land.
And
then another
two queen beds.
Two queen beds.
Oh!
There's two.
Yeah.
Two queen beds, and then what?
This little lamp.
Yeah.
That looks like a head. It's probably Walt Disney said.
Oh, look like lots of USBs over there too, and plug-ins.
I think that's true. I think they
And look! Oh!
Oh, you seem to have caught me in a compromised position.
Stella with her wine glass and robe. Sam on the top bunk. Lots of the high ceiling is high. Oh, and there's
Why are you doing that?
well, what do we think of the Viv?
Oh, hello. I didn't see you
The
there.
Viv is fine, but it's a little extravagant. I think they're trying too hard.
It's swanky.
It's swanky, but I
We
don't
won't get free. We won't get free merch if you say they're trying too hard.
Oh,
Yeah.
you're doing great, the Viv. Thank you.
One more thing about the bathroom. It also comes with a scale. Because what you want to think about on vacation is how much you weigh. We booked this place through Getaway Today, a travel agency that specializes in Disney vacation. That's when it was the Radisson Blu Hotel. But the Viv honored our original booking, and it was a nice place to stay. Although now, it's probably a little bit out of our price range. They charge $30 a night just to park your car. All in all, it was a great stay. We enjoyed ourselves. Nice pool, nice staff.